Picture this, you're ready to move into your dream apartment, perfect location, great price, you filled out the application, submitted everything, but you get a call saying that you're denied, not because you cannot afford it, but because your credit score is too low, or worse, you don't even have one. This happens to thousands of people every month, and it's completely avoidable. Building credit isn't complicated, but most people do it wrong and waste years in process. I'm about to show you the exact system to build solid credit using credit cards, even if you're starting from zero. This information comes from understanding how credit reporting actually functions in the United States. I'm breaking down the step-by-step process that works regardless of your age or income level. You will learn which card to apply for, how to use them without debt, the exact payment timing that maximizes your score, and the mistakes that destroy your progress. This is purely educational. Everyone's situation is different, but these applications apply universally. What a credit score really is. Your credit score is a number between 300 and 850 that tells banks, landlords, and employers how trustworthy you are with your money. Three companies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, collect information about how you handle borrowed money and calculate your scores. When you use credit cards responsibly, these companies record your behavior every month. Credit cards are the fastest way to good credit because they report your activity to all three bureaus. Two factors that matters most. Two factors control most of your score. First, payment history for account. 35%. This measures everything you pay bill on time. Second, credit utilization is 30%. This measures how much of your available credit you're using. Master these two elements and you're ahead of already most people. How to get approved with no credit. Here's where people get stuck. How do you get approved when you have no credit history? You have got two realistic options, secured card and startered unsecured cards. Secured cards require a deposit upfront, typically $200 to $500. That deposit becomes your credit limit. You're borrowing against your own money while the bank reports your activity. After 6 to 12 months of consistent payments, most banks refund your deposit and upgrade you to a regular starter. Unsecured cards do not require a deposit, but they're harder to get with zero history. Some credit unions offer them to members. Student cards work if you're enrolled in college. What to look for in your first card? No annual fee, confirmation that they report to all three bureaus, a clear upgrade path. Don't worry about rewards yet. Your only goal should be establishing a track record. Application mistakes to avoid. Here's a critical mistake. People get rejected and immediately apply everywhere. Every application creates a hard inquiry that temporarily lowers your score. After for one card, wait for the decision. If denied, wait 30 days before trying elsewhere. How credit cards reporting actually work. Once approved, most people misunderstood how to use their card for maximum credit building. Your card company reports your balance once monthly. This happens on your statement closing date, not your payment due date. Your statement closing date ends your billing cycle. Your payment due date comes 21 to 25 days later. Autopay versus manual payments. Set up autopay for at least the minimum payment. This protects you from missing a due date, but don't rely only on autopay. Log in monthly and manually pay your full balance. Autopay is your safety net. Manual payments keep understanding credit utilization. Bureaus prefer seeing utilization below 30%. Below 10 is better. 0% every month can slow progress because it looks like you're not even using your credit. With low limits, managing utilization requires it. If your limit is $300, even a $50 purchase is 17% utilization. When to ask for a credit limit increase? After 6 months of perfect payment, request a credit limit increase. Many banks allow this without a hard inquiry. Higher limits means a lower utilization for the same spending. Adding a second card. Your action plan. Research one starter card, apply once, make one small recurring purchase, set autopay for minimum, apply full balance before due date, repeat every month. Your credit score affects apartment, cars, and mortgages. Start building correctly now. Stay disciplined and patient.